My name is Paige. I'm one of the line pilots here at Paradise Helicopters. What I love the most about the company is the diversity of what we get to do here. Tours, charters, utility flights, landing at beautiful areas like here, flying on different islands, different landing zones, being able to teach guests about the history of Hawaii and the beauty, seeing it from a bird's eye view, which areas like this, a lot of people can't see any other way than being able to fly in a helicopter. So come and check out Paradise Helicopters to see what we have to offer.